Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. If bend is 25, 22, 13, 23, then ring is what? So this particular word is somehow encoded in numbers. So let's try to find what is the code here. So let's see. Let's first number the letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So after numbering, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and 26. So B, E, and D. These are the letters. So let's see. For B, they have used the number 25. So if the letter is second from left, they have used the ranking second from right. Next letter is E. So this letter is fifth from left. So they must have used ranking of fifth from right, that is 22. And yes, it's correct. So that means that N, which is 14 from left, will have the ranking of 14th from right. So that is 13. And yes, that is also correct. B, second from left, is given rank second from right. Similarly, E and D. So the fifth from left, fifth from right. It's given 14th from left, 14th from right. And the fourth from left. So the ranking is 23. Number is given fourth from right. So let's see the number that is that word that is ring will be R is 18th from left for ring. Okay, let's see. R is 18th from left, so rank will be 18th from right. That is, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18th. That is 9, which is rank 18th from right. Similarly, R, I, and G. I is 9th from left, so its rank will be 9th from right, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 18th, 9th from left, so 9th from right is 18. So for I, the number is 18. For N, we know the number is 14. Sorry, 13. And G, 7th from left, so 7th from right is 20. Code will be 918. Therefore, code for ring will be 9, 18, 13, 20. Let's see what are the options. 9, 18, 13, 20. Yes, answer is option B.